I woke up this morning with money on my mind. Fresh off it, now I'm focused on the grind. I pray to the Lord, everything will work fine. There's nobody here that can stop my shine.
What's good, YouTube? What's happening, squad? It's your boy Travis checking in.
And it's your girl Queen Key off in this thing. And this video right here is highly requested, y'all.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? We back at it again. On the taste test run, you know what I'm saying? About to hit up McDonald's again. And see, can we cop them spicy nuggets, man? You heard me? That sound like a nigga from New Orleans, then, you heard me? I don't know where they came from. But anyway, we finna drive here to McDonald's. Y'all, don't forget, clothing line coming soon. Real is real, you know what I'm saying? Be on the lookout for it. Real is real, coming real soon. Be on the lookout for it. All colors, everything. We're gonna have, you know, sweatsuits, t-shirts, everything. Real is real, coming real soon. But back to the subject at hand. We are in the drive-thru right now. I say right now. We're in the drive-thru. So we did the Travis Scott burger, or the Travis Scott meal, basically. What was it, yesterday? And so now we're gonna do these spicy and sweet. What a treat! These spicy chicken nuggets. I just basically want to see if they hitting harder than Wendy's. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I ain't never ate Burger King chicken nuggets because I just don't believe them shit's right. Like, they give you like 10 chicken nuggets for like $1. I'm not eating that. You know what I'm saying? Hell no. Not for like no $1, bro. Like, that's too cheap. I'm not doing that. Now, a lot of stuff at Burger King, they be giving you for like $1, $1.29. You be getting like a whole. I'm like, no, bro. I'm not. That can't be real. Chicken. But anyway, we up here.
Welcome to McDonald's.
Oh yeah, let me get the spicy nugget meal.
What size?
What?
I mean, 6, 10, 20, 40.
Let me get 6.
And what's the drink?
Orange.
And the sauce?
Let me get sweet and sour and don't you got like a hot sauce?
Yes.
Let me get that too.
Anything else?
That's it.
So your total would be $5.39.
I appreciate it. Alright, y'all, so I got bad look for some reason. And oh boy, that's bright. But I got bad luck for some reason. In drive-thrus, when it come time to order, like, yeah, but for some reason they be like, you know, we out of that. So it's like, I don't know. Well, that's why a lot of stuff we don't get to do. We be intending on doing like a lot of the stuff that come through, that come new. We don't get to do it because they don't have it. Like, we tried that a slushy from Taco Bell like so many times, and they would never have it. So a lot of times we just be like saying, forget it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna be getting some shirts on the website real soon. Get some shirts up real soon. I got some stuff in the making, just a whole bunch of different colors and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be providing, like, this right here is the tan with the beige, you know what I'm saying, with the camouflage, you know what I'm saying. I got the green on camouflage. I got the black on red, the red on black. Y'all seen the black and gold. We got the blue on white. We got the blue on red. We got it's just, I'm gonna have so many different colors. I just feel like, you know what I'm saying, it's a cool concept, it's a cool meaning behind it. The real is rare. It's self-explanatory because the real is rare. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I'm gonna rock my own thing, you know what I'm saying? Thank you. Alright, man, it took forever to get up there, but we finally made it. And let's see if we can get our food real quick. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all. So we got the food. They gave me the correct sauce without asking for it. And we should be good to go. Let's go find somewhere to park. And see if we can get this taste test cracking. Get out this damn sunlight, man. The sunlight is crazy. We got to park right here because there's no sunlight right here at all. Alright, let's get to it. So, and they gave me a large orange soda without even asking for it. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. That was strong. Anyway, let's get to the subject at hand. And I hate that the fries ain't really hot because they got some salt on it, got some good salt on it, but they're not hot. So this wasn't it. This is like mighty hot sauce, but that ain't what I really wanted. But anyway, we'll see what's up with that. This is what we came for. This is what we came for. Those spicy chicken nuggets, y'all. Alright, so instantly you can smell them and tell that they smell different. And then you can also look at them and see that they look different. They're darker. They're a lot darker. They're more like an orangish color instead of like a brown. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's get into this sweet and sour real quick because that's what I love McDonald's sweet and sour. So they're good and hot, so they're fresh. And let's check it out. Okay, so you don't really taste no spicy at first, but after you swallow it, then you get that kick. You get that spicy kick. They're pretty good. I like them because they got that crunch on it. Wendy's. I don't know. McDonald's might have some here. Let me tell you the only thing I hate about McDonald's though. McDonald's good for this. They good for bringing something good or decent, and then they'll make it limited time only. So let me try this mighty hot sauce. I don't even know what this is, but it was some kind of buffalo, spicy buffalo, new junk they had, but she gave me this. Ooh, that shit smell hot. Now let's try it with this mighty hot sauce. Okay. That's hot. But it's good though, it's actually good. Like, I hate hot sauce that be so hot that you can't really taste it. All you taste is hot. You don't taste no flavor, but it got some good flavor to it. It's hot as hell, but good flavor. I rock with it. I'm gonna try that one more time with that hot sauce. That's killing with the hot sauce. I don't lie. I am not gonna lie, that's good. What would I rank this at? In chicken nuggets. I'm gonna say McDonald's, they got Wendy's with these. Like I said, I never had Burger King, but I'm gonna say McDonald's got it because I love McDonald's chicken nuggets over Wendy's chicken nuggets. Now, at first it was like, when it came to chicken nuggets, I love McDonald's regular over Wendy's regular. But then when Wendy's hit the spicy, I would choose Wendy's spicy over McDonald's regular. But now that McDonald's got the spicy, I'm gonna have to choose McDonald's spicy over Wendy's spicy. Watch McDonald's do some dumb junk, like take their junk off the menu. They never fail, I swear to God. They never fail. But like I said, y'all need to go try these yourself. Cause these spicy chicken wings, chicken nuggets is hitting. Especially with that hot sauce, cause that hot and the heat together, it's already banging. But with that sweet and sour, cause that helped to, sweeten it out with that heat. You can't lose. I'm telling you. Y'all gotta try it yourself. Like I said, I'm not big on McDonald's no more. I don't really eat beef too much like that. But chicken I eat. You know what I'm saying? So I will pull up and order these. But if y'all tried them before, tell me what y'all think in the comment section. If you go try it, tell me what you think when you try it. You know what I'm saying? If y'all got anything else y'all want me to taste test or y'all want us to taste test, let me know in the comment section below, and we'll get to it as soon as we can. You know what I'm saying? But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video we do. I'll let y'all later.